Assalamu alaikum, honorable principal, respected teachers, and my dear students. Happy Independence Day to all. Honorable sir, it is the 14th August 2022. It is the 75th independence celebration of our dear Pakistan. Pakistan is the result of years of struggles and sacrifices given by our Muslim leaders. Dear students, freedom is the oxygen of the soil. Today, we are gathered over here to celebrate our Independence Day. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It is a great and proud day for all of us. On this day, we got freedom from the slavery of British rule. Dear audience, now is the time to welcome our guest on behalf of our school. We will present a bunch of flowers to welcome the honorable chief guest. So please raise your hands up. Now we will have our auspicious flag waving ceremony of a tribute to our motherland. May all living beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. Now I would like to call the honorable chief guest and principal sir for flag hosting. Dear students, in this day, we could not forget our freedom fighters, especially Dr. Allama Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, etc., who gave their lives and made great sacrifices. This is the reason we are here together to celebrate this day today. Let us dedicate this Independence Day to the sons of nation and starts our cultural program on Sohni Dharti. Very nice performance. Now I would like to call the students of class 1 for a group national song, Dil Dil Pakistan. Very good performance. Thank you students for your wonderful song. Let's forward to our second performance and it is a tableau on Is Parcham Ke Saye Tale. Thanks all of you for your marvelous performance. Now I invite Miss Nazia from class 9 to deliver a speech on the topic of Meri Pehchan Pakistan. Thank you students for this beautiful enchanting performance. We are going to celebrate our 75th Independence Day full of enthusiasm and patriotism. To enhance this feeling of enthusiasm and patriotism, we are going to invite the tiny students of KG for a tableau on Watan Ki Matti. Thanks kids for your melodious performance. Today, our heart is full of patriotism and to express our feelings in few words, Miss Sana is coming from class 10. Thank you Sana for your golden words. The moment we are eagerly waiting for has arrived. Now I would like to call on stage our chief guest for a few words on independence and our challenges. Thank you very much sir for coming on stage. In the last, we are going to ready for national anthem. Attention! Attention for national anthem. Thank you very much our all guests.